Welcome to telaHosting. How to set up a cPanel email account on Android. In this video, I'm going to show you how to set up your cPanel email account on an Android device. The first thing you're going to do is to open the settings app on your device and scroll down to the personal or the password and account section. Then click on Add Accounts at the bottom of the screen. On the next screen, you will be asked what type of account you want to set up. Tap Personal IMAP if you want IMAP, or Personal POP3 if you want POP3. You will then be asked to enter your email address. Make sure you type your full cPanel email address, for example, your name at yourdomain.com, and tap Next. On the following screen, enter your email account password and tap Next. If you don't remember your password, you can reset it by logging into cPanel. We already have a video on how to change your email account password, so do well to check it out. Now you reach the incoming server settings screen. Fill in the details if they are not automatically provided. Once those fields are filled up, tap Next to verify the incoming settings and move on. You will now reach the outgoing server settings, which is the SMTP configuration. So set the SMTP server to the same server name you used for incoming mail. Enter your full email and password in the username and password field if they are not automatically filled. Then tap Next to verify the outgoing settings. The setup wizard will verify everything, then present you with a couple of final options, things like how often the account checks for new emails, whether to notify you on new emails. Configure those to your preference and tap Next. Then give the account a display name if prompted and click Next. Your cPanel email account is now fully set up and ready to send and receive directly from your Android. You can now view, send and receive emails via your professional email directly from your Android device. I hope you found this tutorial helpful. Don't forget to like, comment and share these videos with friends who need telaHosting services. Also, subscribe for more helpful tutorials on web hosting. See you in the next video.